Have you ever wondered how you can test your links over and over and over again without clearing your cache, your cookies, using Incognito? I know it's such a headache, right? Well, in this video, I'm going to give you a ClickMagick tutorial on how to use the test tool. It's going to show you how you can test your links over and over again without clearing your cache or clearing your cookies. You're going to want to watch this one to the very end. What's up, guys? This is Kirshana Sykes. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Now, if you're an entrepreneur or you want to become an entrepreneur, you want to make money online, this is the channel for you. So go ahead and click the subscribe button. Also hit the bell notification button, because whenever I upload a video, you are going to be notified. Now, you may be interested in making passive income. I don't know. But if you are interested in making the type of income that you can make when you're sleeping, when you're on vacation, doing anything else but doing work, then you may be interested in my #1 recommendation for passive income. It's the first link in the description below. Click on that. It's going to take you to a website where you opt in, and then you can learn how to make a passive income. All right, guys, we are here in my ClickMagick Test account. And basically what we're going to do is I'm going to walk you through on how to reset your stats and clear your tracking cookies. All of my online marketers, or those who are really serious about running traffic, you've always tested your links, right? Before you've, created an ad or sent it to your solo ad provider. You want to make sure that your opt-in pages are working. You also want to make sure that the pixel code is firing the way that it needs to on your links. Well, once you test it once, when you get ready to test it again, it's still going to have the residual cookies from the previous test. So that needs to be cleared out so that you can start with a new slate. So how do you do that? Well, first of all, let's go ahead and get one of these links fired off, and then we can walk you through this process. So I just clicked on a link, and I'm gonna go ahead and just opt into it, okay? So we're going to enter in my email address, all that stuff, and the pixel should have fired, and we should actually see the results after I click on Save Changes and it refreshes. So you see the pixel fired, so we have the action here. We also have the unique click and the total click. Now here is the dilemma. Let's say that I get to test this again, and I'm going to do this, okay? Let's say that I'm going to click on this, and we're going to do the very same thing that we just did. We're going to opt in. I'm even going to use a different email address this time, okay? All right, so I'm opting in. Again, we're at the sales page, so great. It should have fired. So let's go back and let's refresh the screen and look at the statistics. Now you see that it has a total click of 2. Because there were 2 clicks, right? I clicked twice, but there's a unique click of 1 here. Simply what that means is, I've already clicked on this link from my IP address, my computer that I'm talking to you right now, once. It recorded it, but then when I did it again, it's not going to record that unique click, okay? So when we're testing, we can't see that unique click. So what we have to do is we have to clear our cookies. Just like you do Internet Explorer or Chrome, you clear your cookies, you clear your cache. And that's what we need to do here. So how do you clear this data so you can continuously or repeatedly test your same link to make sure that things are working properly? So you're going to go here to this gear, and you're going to go over to this little pencil here. And then you're going to click on Reset Test Clicks, okay? So when you click on the Reset Test Clicks, what it says is, hey, basically, you're going to start from a clean slate. I'm going to go ahead and delete your tracking cookies, all existing clicks and conversion data from this particular link and this IP address, which is my computer. We're going to clear it out. So when you click on Clear My Stuff, then it does exactly that, right? So let's go back to the links. Let's make sure that it's reflected that. See, everything is 0. So now we have a clean slate. So now what we're going to do is test this out again. So I'm going to take this, I'm going to follow the same process. We're going to opt in. Let's use a different email address this time. And let's opt in. We see the sales page, which means that the pixel has fired. Now let's go ahead and go back here. We're gonna refresh the page. And boom, we now have successfully tested our links. So anytime you're testing links, you test them over and over and over, because we all do it, right? All you need to do, guys, is go to the little pencil, click on Reset Test Clicks. What that does, that test tool, is it clears your tracking cookies, and it allows you to test over and over and over again with a clean slate. So I had a ball shooting in this video for you. I hope you enjoyed it as well. Matter of fact, why don't you let me know? If you enjoyed the video, put it in the comments below. Let me know if you have any type of questions at all. Hit the like button. Also, share this out as well. Now, there is going to be a subscribe button. You know what I'm about to do, right? There's a subscribe button. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Also, hit the bell notification button as well, so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. Now, the resources that I used in this video, they're going to be in the description box. There are different links. There's one link for ClickMagick. There's another for ClickFunnels. And the first link in the description is my #1 recommendation for passive income. So definitely check that out. And how about we do this again on the next video?